Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Saman Singh and I'm back with a new topic today, and I'm going to I'm going to perform a lab directly on BGP communities, and I have already created one videos on BGP where I have discussed the basic configuration which is required to do when you are planning for EBGP. Okay, and I've already created some videos on my YouTube channel like DNS, DSCP. You can go and watch that video. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to grow. This will help me to grow my channel and it will motivate me to create such video more. Okay. So let's quickly discuss for 30 seconds this beach topology. So in my topology, if you see here, I am having one router one which is in AS100 and router 2, router 3. There are three routers, and you can consider that it's R2 is in Delhi, R1 is in Mumbai, and R3 is in Bangalore, and they are exchanging the route through EBGP. Okay, and I'm using this network 10.1.1.0/24, and from Mumbai to Bangalore, I'm using a network 10.1.2.0/24. Okay, so in Mumbai, it will be basically like I'm going to learn this loopback route from both the side, from Delhi also and from Bangalore also. Let me show you in my diagram. Sorry, let me show you in my this GNS3 BGP configuration. So show run each section BGP. See in Mumbai, this is let's change this hostname config t hostname Mumbai. So in Mumbai, I can see there are two pairings, neighbor pairing 10.1.1.2, this one, and the second pairing is 10.1.2.2, this one. Okay, so and in Mumbai, if you see show IP BGP, then if you see this network 100.100.100.0/24, I'm learning from both the side, from Mumbai and Bangalore, both the side, and the metric is 0 and weight is 0, path is 200. So every parameter in this is same. Okay, and I believe it's like if you see this greater than angle and there is a asterisk sign, so basically it's just if you see here asterisk is used for valid and greater than is nothing but the best. So valid and best, it is now if I have to reach to this network, it will take a path of 10.1.1.2, means this one Delhi. Okay, it will go to the Delhi one. So if I have to show this, currently this network is, it will prefer the Delhi part. Okay, but I don't want to. I will be more manipulating the part. I want to choose Bangalore towards going the link towards the Bangalore, not towards the Delhi one. So let's do the configuration here. So now the Bangalore router is R3. Let me change here the host name config t host name Bangalore. Okay, and I will do the configuration here. First thing is like I will create one access list, and that access list I'm going to define as number one, standard and extended. So I'm using standard one, and I'm going to permit this network 100.100.100.0, and I'm going to use the wildcard mask. As everyone is aware, for access list creation we have to use wildcard mask. Then I will create one route map here, and I believe now I will name this send community, and it will be like permit, and so it says route map. I'm giving a sequence number as a 10. So match IP address which is created in access list 1. I'm giving the access list 1 name it, and then send not send, this should be set community 300 colon 300. Okay. Let's see, do show route map. So if I read this route map, so the sequence number is 10, and I'm going to match this access list, which is permitting 100.100 network slash 24, and it is going to set the community. Okay, the community is in decimal format. Let's change this format to the new format, maybe hexa form, hexa also, where we have option 1 is in new format. So IP BGP community new format. Let's see what now it is showing. Show route map. Now if you see, it's a new format, AA colon NN. Okay, we'll discuss this in theoretical part. So the route map creation is done on the BGP side, and I'm just matching, and I'm going to set this community. So let's attach it to the BGP. So on the Bangalore, the AS number is 200. Neighbor, for me the neighbor is Mumbai 1, and the new Mumbai interface IP is this, and I'm going to attach this route map which I have created here. Route map, send community, and this should be connected in out. Okay, let's send this here, and if I see router 1, show IP BGP, show IP BGP 100.100.100.100. Okay, on Mumbai router I am not seeing the community getting populated, right? So let's do the soft or maybe hard reset. It's a single BGP neighbor, so I can, it will be the same thing. Strict. Yes, if you see now the BGP established got reset. BGP went down, it came back up. So IP BGP summary. Still I'm not learning the prefix from Bangalore side. Let's see here once. So IP BGP 100 colon 100, sorry, dot 100.100. Okay, only one way. Okay, it will take time. Let's meanwhile let's move to here only it will be. So IP BGP summary. Show run section BGP. So yes, I have the network. R1 side, I don't know why it is taking so much of time. So IP BGP. Now I am learning the route, right? Let's see if this BGP community is coming to Mumbai or not. So IP BGP. Ten dot one dot two dot two local preference is this. So IP BGP. Okay, so I'm still not seeing this community value here. Why so? Send community. Show route map. All. So I have this route map, and I have attached this route map to neighbor 10.1.2.1. to send this, and it will match this access list. So run pipe include access list 100. Then why I'm not learning here? Clear IP BGP where is it? Asterisk mark clear IP BGP asterisk. It should be sending the community value, right? Why it is not populating here? Two batch shots showing available, but come on. So let's pause this video. Get this stop. Okay, so on Mumbai, if you see, still I'm not receiving this. Maybe I have missed one command. Config T router BGP 200 neighbor. For Bangalore, the neighbor is 10.2.1.2.1, and I need to send this community both for now. I'm telling this in BGP that I need to send this community values. Okay, so let us clear this, clear IP BGP, and then let's see if this makes the changes. Okay, so let's move forward. Also we'll check even after some time config T. Now what we are going to do, IP BGP community new format. Let me enable this on mobile router also. Then I'm going to match whatever the community values I am receiving. I will match this value, and I will make sure that I will assign some weight in this, and it will prefer the Bangalore one, not the Delhi one. So let's do that part. Route map match this, and community permit 10. Second match community permit 10. Then I will match community community list number. Okay, so let's give it a number 1, and then I will say that set what are the options. So yeah, we have weight option here. Set weight to 1000. Okay, and ending here to show route map. Okay, so I have written a route map that will match the community, and it will to this community list number, and weight will be assigned. Okay, so let's configure the community list also. Config T IP community list, and list number is 1, permit 300:300. But let me show you before to this. You see this option community number, so that's why I'm writing in this format. So I'm matching this community, and till let's see show IBBGP 100.100.100 dot what it is. Okay, if you now see the 10 community was missing in that part, that's why it was not populating. And now I can see that the community from the routes when I'm receiving from Bangalore router, I'm receiving a community also, but from the Delhi there is no such community parameter coming to me on Mumbai router. So I will use this community value and I will match the BGP. In BGP configuration I have already created one route map, so I will attach that the weight should be 1000 here. So the next hop it won't be Delhi, it will not prefer Delhi, it will prefer to Bangalore. Okay, right now if you see here show IP BGP, it's preferring to this best route for this is Delhi 1 10.1.1.2. Okay, so let's add in router BGP 200. Oh sorry, it's saying A100 is running, my bad. 100 one AS number can only be configured on a single router. Okay, that's why it showed me there a neighbor and the Bangalore neighbor 10.1.2.2. Then I'm going to attach route map is we just created, right? I should have kept the simple name as match community, and this will be in direction. Okay, and here so IP BGP, let me clear so IP BGP asterisk so IP BGP. Now if you see here the weight which we set on the community, that if any route is coming and it is matching that community value, then the weight should be 1000. Before to this during the starting of video it was 0, now it is 100, and this next hope is nothing but towards the Bangalore side, this one. So now it is a valid and best route. During the start of the video it was Delhi one. Okay, now the best route has been changed to Bangalore side. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video please like and subscribe and support me. Thank you everyone. Bye.